Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'm going to just get right to it today. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. I'm going to show you how to make a seafood dinner. Seafood dinner. So you know I did a shopping haul. I bought haddock fish, I bought scallops, I bought shrimp. And so now I'm going to make this seafood dinner. So let me give you a rundown. The seafood dinner is going to cost a total of $8.67. I'm using 6 scallops, that's $3.50. The scallops was the highest of everything that I purchased on all of my shopping hauls. The 2 pieces of haddock was $1.68 a piece. That comes to $3.36. I bought two corn on the cob for $1. I'm using 1, so that's 50 cents. And I'm using 50 cents worth of French fries. And the shrimp, I'm using 3 shrimp. I butterflied them. I'm going to show you how to do that. That came to 27 cents each, which is 81 cents. That's how I get the total for the seafood plate for one for $8.67. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is how I butterflied the shrimp. So this is the shrimp, and I just cut it right down the back. I took the black vein out as much as I could see. Okay, and this is called butterfly shrimp when it lays open like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this one. So you're just gonna cut right down the back until it lay open, and then you're gonna see this black vein here. See it right there? You want to get that out. And there it is. I'm gonna pull it. See? I'm gonna take that out. Okay, so that's how you butterfly the shrimp. Okay, now let me wipe my hand and put some seasoning on. Okay, so I'm going to be using some granulated onion. Some black pepper. Now, actually, I don't want black pepper. I'm going to use, there we go. I'm going to use lemon pepper. You know, lemon goes good with seafood. And I want to put on mine some no salt Sassoon. I'm telling you, if you've never tried Sassoon, you've got to try this. It makes everything pop. Okay, and I'm gonna show you. I bought some very fine cornmeal, fine yellow cornmeal. As you can see, the price was $1.49. Okay, this will last a long time. And then I bought the regular cornmeal, which was $1.69. Okay, yellow cornmeal. Okay, so I have them two here, a half a cup of each in these 2 containers. Alright, so now I just want to make sure that the seasoning is all on all of the seafood. I'm going to turn the fish over and wash my hand again, sorry. Alright, now I'm going to do this side. So this time, because I already rubbed the scallops and the shrimp together, I don't need to put seafood on that part. So I'm just putting it on the fish only, the haddock fish. And the sassou. Okay, now turn my fire on to get it back hot again. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to put my fine cornmeal and my regular cornmeal together in this container. Okay? I'm going to put the same seasoning that I put on the seafood in the cornmeal. I'm just going to mix that up. Okay, now I'm going to just dip the fish in the cornmeal. And let's see if the fire is hot. No, not yet. So I'm going to put that there a minute. Let me catch the fire, bring the temperature up. Okay, now I'm going to do the scallops and shrimp. Okay. Okay, our fire is, it's getting there. Okay, I think we're good. So I'm going to put the shrimp and scallops in. Now I'm just going to re-dip my fish into the cornmeal again. I'm going to add the fish. I already cooked the corn on the cob and the french fries before this video. Okay, everything is in. So you'll notice that I measured out the cornmeal, half a cup each, so that you don't waste. Because if you just pour it, then you're going to waste and you'll soon have to go back to the store. Taking out the corn on the cob. This was a great price, 2 for $1. So this is one that I broke in half. Okay? I'm going to turn these shrimp and scallops over. Now you could not go to a restaurant anywhere and get a seafood plate like this for $8 and something. No way. This is a good deal. I want to look under the fish. Okay. I wanted to see if it was hard on that side before I turned it over. Okay. I like to butter my corn on the cob right while it's hot. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm going to use this mesh from my air fryer. I went out for seafood about a week ago. Actually, I was treated out, and I got 2 shrimp on my plate, and that whole seafood plate was about, I think it was $39 or something like that. Pretty expensive. Okay. I always like to end up with my fish face up. So that's why I'm going to turn it this one last time. It only takes fish a few minutes to cook. Okay, give me a few minutes and I'm going to plate up and I'm going to give you the word of the day. Okay guys, take a look. What do you think, huh? Does that look good for $8 and something? Oh my, 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 my. Out of this world, isn't it? Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is, we can eat whatever we want to eat. We just have to figure out at what price point are we going to buy it, and how do we make whatever it is stretch so that if you're paying a high price for it, you can get several meals out of it, and then it's really not a high price point anymore because you have broken it down. And so you know my rule of thumb, try to make a meal no more than $5 to $6. So go ahead, dream big, think about what you want to eat, figure out how you're going to get that into the house, and figure out how you're going to break that down, and you go ahead and enjoy it. That's the word of the day. Okay, let me taste. Scallop. The scallop is juicy and sweet. Shrimp. I'm going to just take a bite of it. Mmm. Mmm. That flavor just burst in my mouth. It was so good. Haddock fish. French fry. Mmm. Corn on the cob. That'll work, guys. $8.67. Please, see if you can try some of these things that I'm showing you. I would love for you to give me a comment. Talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.